Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this OPPO A96 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can activate the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, call up for the keyboard anywhere. I'll use the Google search engine for it. Here on top of the characters, look for this very icon, which basically stands for the clipboard itself. Tap on it, and all that's left to do in order to activate the clipboard is to turn on this switch. And from now on the clipboard is successfully enabled. In order to manage the elements of the clipboard, just tap on this pencil, choose what elements you would like to remove, and then tap on this trash bin icon. In order to add any element to the keyboard, all you gotta do is copy something. In my case, I'll type in the word car, select it, copy, and as you will see, if you will go to the clipboard again, the car element has been successfully added to the clipboard itself. In order to paste it from here, just tap on the element that you would like to paste. And as you can see, everything works just fine. Alright, so that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!